Hey guys, right now I'm coming outside in the rain. Still it's raining. Brr. There. Yeah, I'm in my rain gear. I'm just gonna go get some gloves on because that water's cold. Literally, I'm in rain gear. Well, I would say rain gear. Beanie, scarf, jacket, sweatpants. I have a shirt that I just like my polo shirt. And Polo is not sponsored. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I'm going. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun na 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 na. Na na na. Hey! It's raining. I'm gonna go explore my backyard. My phone's getting wet. I'm gonna switch the camera. If I can. I have to use my nose. Yeah. It's my dad's shed. I think I should go in there. Nah. Should I bring my dog? Yeah, I'll bring her. Cheats. I let my dog come. I don't know if he likes rain. My phone keeps getting wet. It's gonna break. Let's go. It's cold out here. Are you sure you want to be out here, dog? Look at him. Look. That doesn't hurt. He's just biting my hand. He's faster than me. Sorry if you can't hear. On the parts that you don't hear me, just turn up your volume. Stop that. Oh my God. The rain's getting violent. Look at it. Ah! Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Do you want me to knock you off balance? Slapping the dog. Look at my trees. Come on, get out. Oh God. It's getting I'm gonna get my dog in. Come on, come on. Let's go, we gotta go. Come on, hey. Come. You wanna slap? You want? No? Okay. Okay. Now I have to deflect his bites, and he's going crazy. He's going crazy in the rain. I have to deflect his bites with my palm. Ow. There. Palm deflection. Ow, my thumb. I'm gonna see how bad the rain's getting. If I keep wiping my phone, then it's getting wet. I'm gonna have to put my dog, I'm gonna have to give my dog a beanie, my beanie. Oh gosh. Hey, watch it, man. No. Dang. I'm gonna put my phone on the floor real quick. It's a fight to the death. No! My beanie! Oh shoot, no! No! Red beanie. Look what this vicious creature did. No. Hey! Stop dragging it. No, it's not a toy. No. Give me it. Give me that. Now. Oh, he's gonna dragging it. No. I'm gonna have to go put it in the wash. And I can't leave this dog out. He's scared of a beanie. He's scared of cats. Come on. I let the vicious creature in. I think I'm gonna wash my clothes right now. Including the beanie from this vicious creature. I smell popcorn. I'm just gonna get in. Leave that vicious creature there. Take off my rain gear. When I say rain gear, it sounds like reindeer. If you can hear me better, I'm just taking all my stuff I had on. Trigger. I don't know. Excuse me. I'm gonna wash this, including dirty stuff. We'll get to dirty stuff. Ooh, shorts. I'm gonna just wash my sweaters. I always use them. Just hang them. They need washing sometimes. Boom! Filled laundry basket. My hair. I'm gonna do the laundry. I literally kicked the door open. Hi, dog. Trying to sneak up. Look at him, licking his lips. Yeah, you want to see what he did to my beanie? This is the front. Doesn't look that bad. The back. I ain't. Okay. This dog's savage. Savage. First, I'm gonna just put my clothes in there. laundry. My laundry, because I'm too lazy to do anybody else's laundry. Let me just put the phone down. Comment down below if you like doing the laundry, or if you like doing any, or if you have to do the laundry as a chore, because I don't do laundry for anybody. Just doing my laundry. Still doing my laundry. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's all for today.